Wall Street Mania. What up? I haven't done a long form video in a very long time. I've actually been doing my Just Like That videos, which been gotten over really good. So I thank y'all for that. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel because this video is going to be fire. I promise you. And if you just found me, you're gonna love it. Disregard the background. All right, we doing some renovation on here. I promise you, we clean. We doing renovating here, and stuff is everywhere and jumbled up, you know. But we clean people. I take showers every 6 months. Anyway, so I want to go over my support and resistance strategy. All this stuff is found in my Discord. If you guys do want to join, we'll talk about that later on. But I did want to show you guys this. One of the trades and what it meant and how important this was. So check this out. What I'm looking for with my support and resistance strategy. I break my strategy down by the 4 hour and the 1 hour time frame. We just gonna use the 4 hour here. I gotta reserve some for my Discord family, all right? Can't give y'all too much, but I am gonna give y'all a good amount that you can use. Go to the 4 hour time frame, and I'm gonna look for any area where price dropped hard. So if we look right here, I'm going to mark out the last bullish candle, which my grays on my ups. I mark out the last bullish candle before the big push down. So this right here. Now, how do I mark out my zones? I'm going to take the highest body, highest candle of the body to the highest wick. Boom. And I use TradingView, so it's a little bit easier for me. So this is my 4 hour zone. Now, all I'm going to do is I'm going to wait. I'm gonna wait for the price to get tapped. I'm gonna go down to the 1 minute time frame. Now, once we're on the 1 minute time frame, I'm gonna wait for price to tap. Is that a word? I'm gonna wait for price to tap into what? I'm gonna wait for price to tap into my zone, which it did right here. Now, you would think at this point, this is where I'm getting in on a trade. Wrong. I'm going to wait for liquidity to be swept. So think of it like this. I actually just put this in my Discord. A zone is similar to a car, and the liquidity is the gas for the car. Now, for me personally, I don't take any type of trades unless they hit my zone. And I also won't take a trade if liquidity is not swept. So right when price enters my zone, which is right here, boom, bada bing. I like to put my little liquidity, you know, got my little liquidity sign right there. So at this point, it did tap into the zone. Now, if you guys know anything about market manipulation, the market needs liquidity in order to move. So I feel that the market wants to go down, but they're going to manipulate you guys into thinking that the market is about to go down, which right here, you would think, oh my God, this thing's gonna go down. Let me go ahead and it already bounced off the zone. Let me go ahead and go down and then sell off. No. What happens is the minute you enter in on a trade on a sell, you're gonna set that stop loss right here above, which is at that swing high, right? And then what they're gonna do is they're gonna manipulate the market and they're gonna send the market right at your stop loss. Okay. In order for the market to go down and sell, it needs buy side liquidity. What is that? Think about it. Anytime you guys get in on a sell, right here, you're gonna set a buy order, which is your stop loss. Hence, when it goes up and grabs it, it grabs buy side liquidity. So you didn't even know that. You just learned it right there, and it's free. Once it grabs the buy side liquidity, which is your stop loss right here, boom. Every trader that had their stop loss set right here just lost. They just got cooked. They're done. And then at that point, it's going to send it down in the real direction that it wants because it grabbed, it's got the gas. The way I enter in on my trades is I look for 2 candles to the left and 2 candles to the right that have not passed up the lowest candle, and that is how I enter in on my trade. So you see this candle right here, 2 to the left, 2 to the right, boom. And then my stop loss is gonna be up here, but I gotta be triggered in first. And right now we're not triggered in, boom, we triggered in. So now that I'm triggered in, I'm going to set it at the nearest swing high, which realistically you could be right here, but I know this is not a good enough move, this consolidation. So I'm going to set it at this highest point. And then I'm just going to set a 1-to-1 because the market's been crazy. And then from that point, boom. So that's market out. We had our zone to our 4-hour time frame. We went down to our 1-minute time frame. We had a tap into the zone. It went down. We had a sweep above that. And then at that point, I'm entering in. I'm not looking for all this other crazy stuff that I be seeing on YouTube. And then boom, look what happens. Bam. You'd have actually walked away. Let's see, 66 times 2 contracts. Boom, $660 you would have walked away with on 2 YM contracts. And that's what I look for each and every day, guys. I'm either looking for that or my other strategy, which is a break and retest. Now, again, like I told y'all, I do got to reserve this for the members that do pay for the Discord. But if you guys are interested in joining the Discord, what? If you are interested in joining my Discord, unlike anybody else, my Discord is only $20 per month. I treat it like a class. Get in, learn what you need to, and bounce. But it is a community. We do have a community, and you can communicate with me. Even when I'm out, I will message you guys. I will send out videos. I got homework and everything. So if you guys are interested in joining that, this is my link right here. You can check it out. Or you can go to the YouTube. I'll just show y'all right here. If you haven't seen the newest Mortal Kombat movies, dope. I promise you. Super, super dope. So if you want to I can't talk. I promise you, it's 10:59. If you do want to join my Discord, you can also go to my YouTube channel, and then you can click on the wallstreetmania.card.co, and this will take you directly to my website as well, where you guys can stroll down, check out some other things, and join the Discord. Hopefully this helped you guys out, Wall Street Mania. Love you guys. I will see you guys soon. I don't know when I say I'll see y'all soon. Like, I'm not really coming to your house or anything. I'm just saying I'll see y'all soon. Like, you know what I mean. Keep God first. Love y'all. Peace.